This is a message from Abba Sid, 1841, and the College of Anhu. In order to create, the Creator became the creation. For there was nothing to create from, only nothing, therefore. The Creator used nothing, for there was only nothing. And the Creator became the creation. The one became two, Ani, and two. To respect the creation is to respect the Creator, for the Creator became the creation in order to give. The giver had to become the receiver, for there was no receiver. In the beginning, there was only one. Hear me, O Israel, the Lord your God is one, Echad. Then the one became two, Ani, and two. The Aleph became the Bet. I am Ani, I am Abba Sid 1841.
Lesson 2. On the name of Jehovah. Iye Ora Denga. He is the heavens. The heavens are the house of Jehovah, and the heavens are Jehovah. God created the heavens by becoming the heavens. So we respect the heavens, but we do not worship the heavens. The Shona word for respect is kudza, which also means to make something grow. Iovanika. He became the earth. The earth is the house of Jehovah, and the earth is Jehovah. God created the earth by becoming the earth. So we respect the earth, but we do not worship the earth. Grow. Iye Oa Ra. He became Ra, meaning the sun in Shona is Ra. Ra is the house of Jehovah, and Ra is Jehovah. It is Ra who riseth in the east every morning. God created Ra by becoming Ra. Yehovah Ra. It is Ra that causes what we plant to grow. Ka. So, the plants need energy to grow. Energy is called Simba in Shona. So, Ra is energy. Ra is Simba. Ra is God's energy or God's power to create. So in Shona, the word Abba has two meanings. The first meaning is Father, and it's spelled with a capital A. Abba. The second meaning of Abba is stone, and it's spelled with all small letters. Abba. So, in Shona, if a woman gets pregnant and goes into labor, then she gives birth to a child, we say that woman, Abba Ra, meaning she has stolen Ra. She has stolen God's power to create. Even in Hebrew, to create is to bara. So, to give birth is to bara. He or she has given birth is Abara, of which Abba means stone. In Shona, if a woman gets pregnant and goes into labor, then she gives birth to a child, we say Abba Ra. That woman has stolen Ra. That woman, Abba Ra, meaning she has stolen Ra, meaning she has stolen Ra. Abba Ra. She has stolen God's power to create, because she has created a child, Abba Ra, or Abar. And because of that, the word for girl in Shona is Musikana, meaning the creator of children. Musiki means creator, and Vana or Ana means children. So Musiki plus Vana or Ana equals Musikana, meaning a girl is the creator of the children once she has stolen Ra. Kana Abba Ra. So no child can be born on earth if no one has stolen Ra, because Ra is God's energy to create. Through him, everything was created. Ra is the center of our solar system. So, Ra is the system. We should respect Ra. Without Ra, there is no me, there is no you. To respect Ra is not to worship Ra. And I repeat, we do not worship the sun, and we never worshiped the sun before. But we respect the sun and give praise to the sun Because at the covenant of Eden, God said, I have created everything with respect. I am Ra. I am Simba. I respect you. So I expect your respect in return. I respect all. Ndinokudza wose. The tree shall respect the man, and the man shall respect the tree. The animal shall respect the man, and the man shall respect the animal. The sun, Ra, shall respect the man, and the man shall respect the sun, Ra. I am who I am. Ndinonzi ani, ini ani. If plants do not get enough Ra, they die. So even you, without Ra, you die. In the Shona language of Zimbabwe, if someone is sick or ill, we say, look, he or she is fighting Ra. Arikurwa Ra. And if you type on Google Translate from Shona to English, the word Kurwa Ra means getting sick. This word Kurwa Ra is made up of two words. The first word is Kurwa, which means fighting. And the second word is Ra, which means God's creation power. So, Kurwa plus Ra equals Kurwa Ra, or in simple terms, Kurwara, which means fighting plus Ra equals getting sick. Kurwa Ra. So, in the Shona language, if someone is sick or ill, we say, look, he or she is fighting Ra. Meaning, he or she is fighting God's power, which is the life-giver, Ra. So, do not fight Ra. I am Ra. So if you fight against these words, and fight against my teachings, you will be fighting against Ra. And in the end, you will surely die. I am Ani. I am Ra. I am Abbasid. 1841. Shalom.
Indira, 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 Erijawe Dinga. Indira, 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 Erijawe Dinga. Indira, 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 Erijawe Dinga. Na 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 na